Today I'm going to share with you one of the tips that I've learned along the way of wrapping over the couple of years that I've wrapped now. And this one is what to do when your rectangular scarf is just not quite long enough. So this scarf I absolutely love. It's this beautiful blue color and it's made of 100% wool, which is great for temperature regulation. Don't get me started, it'll never stop. But the problem here is that most of the wraps that I do, you start in the middle so that your tails are the same length. But unfortunately, if you do that here, I will just quickly show you, they're just not long enough. This isn't gonna work for anybody. So for a long time I thought, well, I guess I just can't use that scarf for wrapping. I guess I'll just use it for like a normal scarf. But one thing I learned is that you don't have to start all of your scarves with equal tail lengths. So what I do when I have a scarf like this is I will start it intentionally offset pretty significantly, making sure that the longer offset is on my non-dominant side to begin with. That way when I tie it under, it'll flip to the dominant side. And then I just do like I would do a normal wrap. So here I have one very short side and one longer side. So I can just quickly circle this together, make a twist, do whatever I want with this one end. And then for the second tail, I can either leave it out like a little pony, which is cute, or it's short enough that it can be tucked in all on its lonesome. And that ability will let you use a much broader range of scarf sizes, which makes everybody happy. Thanks, bye-bye.